Coca-Cola taste test Easter 2020. Yes. So here it is. Yes, for Easter. There are two types of Coca-Cola. There is the new Coke and there's Coke Classic. And I want everybody to try. Obviously, there's one in each different cup here. And let me know which one you think is the best.
Is better?
Which one you like. Go for it. Everybody dive in.
Do they smell different? Like wine tasting? Ooh, they do smell different. Interesting.
Which one's which?
They smell the same. What are you talking about?
Okay, taste the difference.
Yeah.
This one.
Which? Okay.
Diet.
Okay. Wait, say that again. Which one?
This one tastes like diet.
Okay.
This one's better and
difference.
tastes more crisp.
I disagree.
Ooh, wow. Blind taste tests.
That's hard.
But I'm really enjoying this.
I'm
really wanting some.
I don't taste a difference.
Yeah?
This one's the new Coke and this one's the bottle. Is that right?
I gotta go opposite of that.
Dang it.
Okay.
This is the new Coke. I think this
That's
one's
what
in the
I
bottle.
was thinking too.
Lizzie, so which one's new and which one's
This
classic?
one's new and this one's classic.
Okay.
Yeah,
This one's
I think this is classic.
And that,
This is new.
okay, well, which one's better then?
Taste this.
Definitely the classic.
The classic
It
is better.
tastes like diet.
I like that this one
What does
tastes
diet
crisp,
taste?
but this
Okay.
one like tastes a little better.
Really? Okay. Liz, do you have one that's better than the other?
This is
Oh, my taste buds are a little.
'Cause
They
you,
literally taste the same. This one just tastes more bubbly. I don't.
oh my gosh.
Interesting.
What?
This one's
You said that one was. Yeah, that one's bottle.
No, you said that one was the new and that one was the
Yeah,
classic.
yeah.
Because everybody else said the opposite.
okay. Well, yeah, I couldn't remember which way was it.
Yeah. So what? Okay.
I'm just gonna keep that.
Okay, you're going to stay with that?
Yeah.
All right. Somebody set their glasses down and I will show you which one's which.
Okay.
Oops. Okay.
Where do you want?
Doesn't matter. I'll just one person. So this is how I poured them. Everybody has the same. It's
No
like
way.
this. Yes.
No way.
Yes.
I had it right.
Yes.
No way.
Told you.
But everybody was like preferring the new
The
Coke.
new Coke.
Yeah.
That's
Uh-oh.
weird.
See,
Except for Lizzie.
I've been drinking bottled Coke in England, and this is what it tasted like.
It was not diet.
Ew. That's funny.
But when you compare the two, yeah. Oh my gosh.
I drank enough Coke.
Which one did you prefer though? You never really said. I think you.
I enjoy drinking Coke out of a can a lot more than a bottle, but sometimes the bottle tastes better.
But they're different formulas. It's not just the can versus the bottle.
I know, but
It's new versus old.
What's different?
no, I like the old Coke better.
So lost.
You like what?
You
I
guys
like
are
the
so
old Coke
confident.
better.
Now that you know.
Yeah.
You like
You
Coke
guys are
classic?
so confident in the like
But it
difference.
tastes different. Definitely tastes different.
What tastes different?
The sweetener tastes different.
Yeah.
Yeah.